IBM at the US Open, and a look at the new Telum II processor. All on this episode of IBM Tech Now. For more than 3 decades, IBM Consulting has collaborated with the United States Tennis Association to provide an engaging digital experience for US Open tennis fans. Of course, this year's tournament was no different, and we're going to look at 2 amazing generative AI projects that leverage IBM's versatile family of enterprise-ready Granite Foundation models. The first project was the Content Engine, which was responsible for providing up-to-date story coverage for the hundreds of matches across the men's and women's singles competition. Truly a massive undertaking. The Content Engine produced 3 main outputs: bullet point descriptive text before and after every singles match, multi-paragraph match reports that provided descriptive summaries and analysis about completed matches, and spoken commentary and subtitles for match highlights. The Granite 13B chat model was responsible for producing our bullet points before and after each match. Pre-match bullet points drew from myriad data points and gave insights based on rankings, head-to-head results, and player biographies. When a match was finished, the system generated text descriptions of what happened, drawn from stats such as aces, breakpoints won, double faults, winners, and shot speed. Then the match reports were created. These reports drew on trusted US Open data and used the combined power of Granite and other models hosted on IBM watsonx.ai to create long-form summaries. The second major project was AI-generated spoken commentary and subtitles for match highlights. Introduced last year, AI-generated audio commentary provides automated voiceovers and subtitles for every singles match highlight reel shown on the US Open website and app. This year, a key goal was to make the audio commentary more natural and human. This included experimenting with 2 variables: top K, which is a parameter that controls the number of possible answers the model should consider, and temperature sampling, which was used to adjust the probability distribution of possible answers. After extensive testing, the next step was going from text to speech, where it was essential to make the voices sound convincingly human. Through experimentation in many different runs, the teams made sure the voices were clear and had the right prosody. In other words, the pitch and speed matched the nature of what was being said. When these balances were found, the inference and output processes happened largely unsupervised in near real time. To learn more about IBM at the US Open, check out the link in the description of this video. Next up, in 2021, IBM introduced the IBM Telum processor, featuring its first advanced on-processor chip AI accelerator for inferencing. Now we're excited to announce the next generation of enterprise computing for the AI era with the IBM Telum II processor and a preview of the IBM Spire accelerator. Both are expected to be available in 2025. Developed using Samsung 5nm technology, the new IBM Telum II processor will feature 8 high-performance cores running at 5.5 GHz. The processor will include a 40% increase in on-chip cache capacity, and it will integrate a new data processing unit specialized for I/O acceleration and the next generation of on-chip AI acceleration. We've also significantly enhanced the AI accelerator on the Telum II processor. The compute power of each accelerator is expected to be improved by 4x, reaching 24 trillion operations per second. At the same conference where we announced the upcoming Telum II processor, IBM also showcased the IBM Spire accelerator. The Spire accelerator will contain 32 AI accelerator cores that will share a similar architecture to the AI accelerator integrated into the Telum II chip. Both IBM Telum II and the Spire accelerator are designed to support a broader, larger set of models with what's called Ensemble AI method use cases. Using Ensemble AI leverages the strength of multiple AI models to improve overall performance and accuracy of a prediction as compared to individual models. To learn more, hit the link below. Thanks so much for joining me today for this episode of IBM Tech Now. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I've covered, make sure you explore the links in the description of this video. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on what's going on in Tech Now.